Hi friends, my name is Tanya and I'm one of the education supervisors at the Dallas Zoo. Today I have this fun engineering project I want to do with you, and what we're going to do is make a beehive. Now it's really important for this activity that we have adult supervision because we will be using scissors. Now the only supplies that you will need are a pair of scissors and an empty toilet paper tube. So the first thing that you're going to do with your toilet paper tube is you're going to smash it down flat. So make a nice crease on either side. Now what we're going to do, this is where we're going to need our adult to help us. We're going to make a cut along the toilet paper tube that's now flat. We're going to make about a 1-inch cut because we want 1-inch pieces. Now your standard toilet paper tube should give you about 4 of these, okay? So we're going to go ahead and make our first cut. So at the Dallas Zoo, we are very dedicated at saving all shapes and sizes of wildlife, including our honeybees and our monarch butterflies. One way that you can help save both butterflies and honeybees is by making sure you plant native plants in your yard. Those are really good food sources for them, and they will go and visit your garden, and it helps them and helps provide a habitat. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a hexagon. Now, how many sides does a hexagon have? 6. So your shape, what you're going to do is make a hexagon. Now this activity does take a lot of focus and concentration, and that's okay. This is a fun little brain teaser to do so that way you can focus on making your shape. So to make your hexagon, you're going to have the crease at the top and a crease at the bottom, and then you're going to make another crease. I'm going to do this about 1/3 of the way down on either side. This will be the top of our hexagon. Okay, so now we have the 2 sides up here, and then we're going to flip it and we're going to do that again. Just another crease about 1/3 of the way down. All right, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is our hexagon. Now it's not going to come out perfect, and that's okay. This in fact has given me a new inspiration and appreciation for honeybees because they do this all the time and their sides are perfect. And I have been making these for a while now. I've got a couple of these here, and each one is just a little bit different, and that's okay because they're all unique, and that's what makes this a fun engineering activity. So we're going to just put those together and make our fun honeycomb. Now something that you can do, I was thinking, well, I can make this really large honeycomb, or what if I went vertical? And so what you can do is start stacking your honeycomb. Now these honeycombs, not the ones that we're making, but honeycombs that bees build, that is their home. So it's really important if you see a honeycomb out and about whenever you're walking around, just leave that be because that's their home. That is where they go and they produce their honey. So I have some honey examples. These are 2 different colors. Why do you think they're different colors? But they're both really, really tasty. I like to put these on my fruit or in some tea or in just a cup of warm water. It's really tasty. So again, I have my honeycomb. That's a little bit better. I'm getting there. Again, it takes a lot of focus and a lot of practice on this activity. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to stack it. So I'm going to try to go vertical with my honeycomb. I want to see how tall I can make it. Maybe that's something you can do at home. Maybe you can work together to see how tall you can make your family honeycomb. Another thing I was thinking, because this could be like a really fun puzzle, is to get a marker and maybe you can mark some of the different sides a different color. So you can maybe mark one of the sides and maybe only pinks will touch pink or blues will touch blue. However you want to try to put your puzzle together. Or you could put numbers and you can work on your math, and maybe you could put letters. Maybe you can spell out some words. So the possibilities are endless on what you can do with your honeycomb. Again, honeybees are great little engineers. They do this all the time. And again, this gives me so much appreciation for them because they can just build these, and they have their own little geometry named after them on how they design their honeycombs. Now, just like everything that we do at the zoo, we just want to make sure that you know that you can help save wildlife at home, even our honeybees. So our paper products, when you're done with this, something you can do, because this is cardboard, you can put this in your compost bin, or you can put it in the recycle bin. But something else that you can do is when you go to the store to buy your paper products, you can look for the FSC code. So on your paper products, you want to look for this to make sure that your paper products were sustainably resourced, making sure that it was safe for the environment. So that way we can help protect our environment and wildlife. Well, thank you, friends. I cannot wait to see what you come up with your honeycomb design. You guys have fun, and I hope to see you soon.